Hey guys, how's it going? Michael Hodge here with the GMAU. We are stoked to announce the world's first online martial arts tournament. It will be August 3rd and 4th, and it's called the Global Martial Arts Online World Championships 2019. So you're probably wondering, how are you going to be able to compete online? Well, we're not going to do any sparring divisions, but we do have forums. We have forums for karate, taekwondo, and weapons. So you can actually enter and demonstrate any form. It's open to all styles, open to all ages and all ranks. We have divisions for different experience levels, different ranks, different ages and things like that. So you're probably wondering how it's going to actually work though. So the way that you're actually going to compete is, first of all, register now so that you can get one of the spots to be in this tournament. And then on the day of the event, on August 3rd or 4th, you're going to log into the website and then click record. It'll be really obvious. You can use your phone or your computer or whatever it is, have someone hold it for you or put it on a tripod, and you'll actually demonstrate your form all the way through, and it'll be automatically uploaded, and then the judges will be scoring your entry, just like as if you went to an actual local tournament where the judges are watching you and they're scoring you. You'll get to check back in real time to see all the other competitors. You can watch their entry videos, you can see their scores, you can see where you're at on the scoreboard, you can see any comments or exact numerical scores that the judges gave you and everyone else. And whenever the competition completes, you'll get notified at what place you received. And of course, first, second, and third place will be receiving some really nice hardware, the honorable medals that will be mailed to you. Everyone else that does participate will be getting some sort of gifts from our sponsors, and it's going to be a really good time. So this is an amazing opportunity for you to train really hard over the summer. Take the next couple of months to push yourself. Choose a kata that you really like. Choose a pumse, a form. For the weapons division, you can do any weapon that you feel comfortable with, whether it be bow or nunchaku or sai or whatever that might be. Get very good at it, and this gives you that goal to work towards, something special, and see how you stack up against other competitors around the world. This is open to GMAU students and any other martial artists from around the world, and so we highly recommend that you go ahead and register now. We'll be giving more information, helping you prepare and get ready to compete, but it is August 3rd and 4th, and we're very excited to have you guys a part of this first tournament that we're doing, and we look forward to doing this every year. If you have any questions, any comments at all, please leave it here, and we look forward to seeing you guys compete.